Continue with section Masukunan under the advisory of Ma'am Marilyn Pavino.
It is with great pride and honor to present to you the academic awardees and non-academic awardees of Grade 1 Masunugin for the school year 2023 to 2024. With high honors, Bidor Rotaya P. She is also a recipient of Perfect Attendance Award for the school year 2023 to 2024, Eager Beaver Award, Task Champ Award, Disiplinado Ako Award, Coaches Kid Award, Batang Maasahan Award, and GSB of the Year. With honors, Cargason Sandy Blue P. With Mr. Cargason Father. He is also a recipient of Eager Beaver Award, Friendly Neighbor Award, Extra Miler Award, Cheerful Soul Award, Batang Maasahan Award, and BSB of the Year. Castor Ayona Aliana B. with Mr. Castor Father. Eager Beaver Award, Sunshine Award, Friendly Neighbor Award, Extra Miler Award, Disiplinado Ako, Batang Magalak, Batang Maasahan Award, and GSP of the Year. De Castro Norjana B. with Mrs. De Castro Mother. She is also a recipient of Eager Beaver Award, Peacemaker Award, Task Champ Award, Golden Heart, Batang Maasahan Award, and GSP of the Year. With honors, Jagga Zach Liam P. with Mr. Jagga Father. He is also a recipient of Friendly Neighbor Award, Happy Helper Award, Golden Heart Award, and Disiplinado Ako Award. With honors, Dongalio Kiran Gabriel A. with Mrs. Dongalio Mother. He is a recipient of Eager Beaver Award, Cheerful Soul Award, Extra Miler, and Disiplinado Ako Award. With honors, Gilas Annabella Jane Ann with Mrs. Gilas Mother. She is also a recipient of Cheerful Soul, Friendly Neighbor, Peacemaker, Determined Kid Award, Tenacious Striver Award, and Disiplinado Ako Award. With honors, Lacostadas Mary Arieta. She is also a recipient of Eager Beaver,